Hey everyone, so today we're going to be looking at My Java Program 3. This is 50 points, and this is the final My Java program, and the highest number of points for the reverse engineering. And so our prompt says, you can't possibly get the flag from My Java program. And the hint says, octal is not equal to Ascii numbers, right? So they're different bases. So I'm going to go ahead and download this file, and I'm going to look at it in Linux. So I'm going to copy this file, secure program, to here, and let's just go ahead and look at it. So we have a class secure program, so it makes a new secure program, and then it asks for a secure password, and you can input a password, and then it makes the string input, so it adds HackMHS to the front of it. And then if the password is right, then it'll grant you access. And so we can go ahead and look at the check password function. So check password, and it's an array of bytes in different encodings. So this looks like ASCII, and this looks like hexadecimal, and this actually looks like octal. So what we can do is just decode each of these lines. So we know this is ASCII. And so what I'm just going to use an online Ascii decoder. So ASCII numbers to text. And what I'm going to do is put this in and see if I can get rid of the spaces. Maybe that's what's causing it to trip up a little bit. Here we go. Just get rid of all of these spaces. And that doesn't seem to be working. Maybe I can just refresh the site and then put it again. Okay, that's not working. Maybe I can get a different one. That did not seem to work. There we go. Okay, so we have part of our password. So I'm just gonna store that with this. So we converted from ASCII to text. Now what we are going to do is we're going to convert this hexadecimal. So let's see if we could just get an online hex decoder. Online hexadecimal decoder. And hopefully we can just put this in and it'll give this to us. Okay, that won't work. Hex to text. That could have worked if I got rid of the zeros, but I want to see if I can just find one that does it for me. Invalid hexacoded string. Okay, so I guess I'm just going to have to get rid of all of these real quick. You could automate this if you wanted to. I'm not going to go through that for the sake of the time of this video. And let me get rid of all of these. And see what it gets. Okay, so we have the second part of the password, or the flag, actually. And now let's look at what else it takes. So this is octal. I can tell because of the first zero in octal is removed in here. So what this would look like is this. So that it's divisible by 4. But in this case, we don't actually want that. So I'm going to get rid of these. Here we go. Just to make it easier for me and easier for everyone. And we can put this in an octal decoder. Just very simple. We can use this probably. Oh no, that is the wrong. Sometimes it goes crazy. There we go. So we can put this in here. And now we need the last part of our flag. And the last part of our flag is actually just in plain text. So let me just go ahead and put this in a new line, and then I'll just shave off all of these. And see if we can get this right here. Okay, and just add this onto here, and then you can wrap this with HackMHS, and then curly brace, and then ending curly brace. And this flag should work. Yeah, there you go.